Welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi. I hope you guys are all well and thanks so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm sharing another recipe with you. I'm making today prawns stir-fried rice. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Je suis Kayi et aujourd'hui je partage la recette du riz cantonnais avec vulve. Et voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin. These are all the ingredients we are going to use today for our recipes. I cooked the rice and left it overnight in the fridge. J'ai préparé le riz hier nuit et j'ai gardé ça dans le réfrigérateur avant d'utiliser ça aujourd'hui. So I have ginger, after seasoning, just leave it like a 10-15 minutes before start cooking. Laissez reposer 10 à 15 minutes. I'm going in now with the egg. I'm going in with the prawns. It's already well seasoned, so I'm not going to add anything to it. Add a little bit of oil and I'm going to go in now with all the vegetables. So once the oil is a little bit heat up, I'm going to add all my vegetables. Now I'm going in now with the peas and the carrots. And I'm adding a little bit of black pepper. The vegetables looks really good now. So I'm going to put it on the side and then start the stir fry. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of rapeseed oil. I heat up a little bit and then I'll add the rice. After adding the rice, just go in with all the seasoning. Soya sauce, you can add oyster sauce if you want to. So I'm just using the dark soya sauce. Going in with a bit of black pepper, that's how I like mine. And I'm going to stir fry it for 5 minutes. The stir fry. So after stir frying this for 5 minutes, I'm adding the stir fried vegetables, eggs, and the prawns. And the rice will be ready. with a little bit of basil. Looks so good. Another quick recipe, because you don't have to cook the rice on that same day. Get all the vegetables and that's it. Et voilà, stir-fried rice is ready. Okay, now I'm going to go in. Now that delicious recipe, this is for you. Guys, if you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. C'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la recette d'aujourd'hui. Et si vous avez aimé, n'oubliez pas de liker, partager avec la famille et les amis. À très bientôt. Au revoir.